guys, welcome to Fresh and Fab Friday at Homegrown Homesewn in Cincinnati, Ohio. Okay, I'm going to show you this cool line, but first I have news. We have a Christmas present to you sale starting now through the end of the year. Everything except this beautiful line I'm going to show you in a second in this seasonal room is 25% off. I know, you're excited about that present, aren't you? Okay, so we have Halloween, we have Christmas, we have fall, we have patriotic. It's super fun. The sale will be marked on the website. You don't have to put a code in or anything. It'll already be made to sale price. So get 25% off, all that fun stuff, except this beautiful shelf, which is a brand new line called Blushed Houndstooth by Benartex. A nice little blender we added in. It's a little more of a, it feels a little more traditional of a blender. We've run out of room in our traditional room and our blender wall hallway corner. So we had to move it in here to the seasonal, friends. We also have some pre-cuts of that. I'll show you in a second. All right, come up here. If you're a knitter, you're gonna like these. If you're a non-knitter, you're still gonna like them. They're so cute. They're knitting sheep and knitting chickens. Okay, that one's just, it's just too fun. We had to buy them. It was so fun. Okay, here is like we have our 10-inch stackers of the Blushed Houndstooth. It is 100% cotton, just so you know. And then we have the 5-inch squares. We also have 2.5-inch strips. And then this is another charm we have, or a 5-inch square stack for Ambrosia, which is another line I'm going to show you in a minute. But we're not there yet, okay? Right around here, we have a P&B line, Botanical Nectar. We have those 5 from it. Nice and sweet print for you. Then we have a few, not my phone, a few patterns. We have Social Sharks. I think that's super fun. Prickly Plant. I think you all know why we ordered that pattern. Stacked Rainbow, which Mom is making a version of now. And Homestead Star, which I think I want to be my next project, guys. I'm going to take a pattern from today. So you should grab yours too. What do we got? We got Laundry Room. Yes, it is Laundry Room. This is Studio E, and I was actually thinking of recovering my ironing pad, and I think it might need to be one of those bolts, guys. All right, sorry, I zoomed the wrong way. We're zooming over here. We have Gingham Picnic. We have these 4 and these 4 over here. This is a poppy cotton. You know how we feel about gingham, guys. Then down here, we have 4 from Brenda Riddle. This is part of her Grace line at Moda. Oh, sorry. This is Love Lily from April Rosenthal at Moda. We went with mostly the blenders and then this beautiful signature print as well. Then we have At Home, these 4, and over here, this is a Contempo line. I love that we're getting all of our spring and summery stuff in now, especially because today is a wee bit dreary, guys. And then Ambrosia, I mentioned that in our 5-inch stackers. We have that line by P&B. It's this and the next shelf, and there's some fun mixed drinks there and this. So if you're one of those people who goes, I want to be in Hawaii for holidays, but I can't, buy some fabric and pretend you're there, right? Is that all? I feel like that's all. If I forgot something, it's just...
Falling snow kit?
Yes. Oh, okay. We do have a falling snow kit. I don't have any down here, but I think we have the pattern. Follow me. So, Andrea Sims is a fellow quilter and designs patterns. She used to be more local. She moved. She put out this pattern called Falling Snow Quilt. We have a kit that looks exactly like that. The same AGF solids that she used with the pattern on the link as well. So that's really cool. Mama Bear made it, loved it. It's really beautiful, beautiful snowflake. So there's that as well. And we have a Fab Stash show this weekend, 3 p.m. Last one of the year, guys. Let's ring out 2021 with a bang. Oh, maybe we should dress up. Should we dress up? I feel like we could go Christmas. We could go, I have a Santa hat. I don't know what happened to your Santa hat. I have a Santa hat. We could go Christmas meets New Year's. What do you think?
Ooh.
Are you guys going to be there? Because we will, regardless of you. Anyways, that is all for now. Happy quilting. Bye.